There are many data sources which you can connect to Power BI, and that allows you to connect data from virtually anywhere. So when you open up Power BI desktop, you will see there is a tab called Get Data. If you click here and if you go to More, you will see all the data connectors that are present in Power BI. So as you can see on the right hand side, you can connect to an Excel workbook, you can connect to a CSV or a text file, XML, JSON, like many other data sources are there. You can connect to, even cloud platforms like Azure, you can connect to Cosmos DB. There are so many sources that you can connect to. Even if you want to connect to any website, let's say you want to scrape any data, you can do that using Power BI itself. So that's the great thing about Power BI, which allows you to use data from virtually anywhere. Now, for the sake of this course, we will only use text or CSV as our connector. To connect to text or CSV, all you need to do is you need to click on this and you need to click on connect. If you click on connect, you will be redirected to your file manager where you have all the CSV files. Now, if you want to connect to any data, all you need to do, you just need to click on this and you need to click on open. A pop-up will open quickly and you can see the preview of your data. This is a quick preview. As you can see, you have column 1, then date, and you have some dates in here. And in here you will see two options. One is load and one is transform data. The load is basically if you want to directly load this data, and transform is when you want to transform this data a little bit. I will show you this transform data option later, but let's now see if we load this data, how it looks like. If I click on load, you will be able to see a pop-up that is loading the data. Okay, my data is quickly loaded and you can see on the fields pane, you can see the data, which is Adventure Works calendar. And if I want to see this data, how this data looks like, I will go here and I will be able to see this data here. Yep, so you can see this data. And that's it for this video, and see you in the next.